Welcome to your new office. You're looking at the all-new sprayer cab in the next generation of sprayers from John Deere, the R4030 and the R4038 sprayers. We call it the Command View 2 cab, and it's fully loaded with the latest comfort features and integrated technology. The moment you first climb in, you'll see the side door has a much wider opening than our previous models, 25% wider, for easier access. From inside the cab, one look tells you right away it's got everything you need to take your productivity to a whole new level. Notice all the extra space to operate, 10% roomier than our previous model. And look at the amazing view. There's more glass all around for a better view of the booms and spray functions. Feel the ultimate comfort in our Comfort Command seat made with plush upholstery, or choose the deluxe refined leather option. Both deliver outstanding comfort and durability. The Comfort Command seat is perfect for those long hours in the field. For ideal comfort and productivity, you can adjust the seat to fit the operator's size. The back support pressure for ideal lumbar support. The air suspension for better access to controls. The backrest up to 30 degrees backward, and the seat cushion tilt for plenty of leg support. This seat is also designed for greater stability and cushion over bumpy fields, greatly reducing motion both front to back and side to side. Here, you're in total command of all sprayer functions. There's a completely redesigned user interface for incredible comfort and operating efficiency. You'll find all the latest technology within easy push-button reach. All your important operating information at a glance. It's all fully integrated to deliver the most performance and cover more acres in your day. On your right, you'll see the GreenStar 32630 display, the command center of your sprayer. It's mounted at the end of the command arm console, where all key operator controls are conveniently located for easy access. This advanced, fully integrated technology lets you easily program your settings and put sprayer control at your fingertips. This high-tech package comes loaded with a host of applications, such as JD Link and remote display access options to help you manage your operation at peak efficiency. All applications are linked to John Deere FarmSight, a total solution that combines equipment, technology, and your local John Deere dealer. With the digital corner post display, it's easy to check your important machine information, such as fluid levels, solution pump status, oil pressure, and coolant temperature. The Command View 2 cab is loaded with amenities too, such as technologies to reduce cab noise, plus a superb heating and air conditioning system to keep you in total comfort in all weather. No time for lunch? No problem. There's plenty of storage behind the seat for coolers and insulated beverage container. Plus, the sound system delivers an incredible listening experience thanks to a subwoofer behind the seat, plus MP3 and satellite radio compatibility in our premium model. It's easy to see why the Command View 2 cab is the smartest cab in its class. It packs plenty of comfort to get you through the longest work days. Making smart in-field decisions comes easy when you're relaxed and in control. You'll find it in the all-new R4030 and the R4038 sprayers with the comfort you need to take your productivity to the next level. Ready? Spray? Done. Talk with your John Deere sprayer dealer today.